Ready? Slowing it down.
Slowing it down.
Thank you, Matt.
Can we all just like take a minute to like appreciate gravity?
Good job. Good job.
Can we take a minute when we get her to the?
Yeah. All right, focus. Everybody focus.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay. Here we go. All right, good job. Okay. Pull.
Slow it down a little bit.
Oh, good job.
Make sure it's coming in slow, Matt.
You good?
All right. He's rolling
Okay,
still.
we'll pass it to Karen.
We got it.
Anybody got it? Kevin, you put it in?
Yeah!